from Marvin Profcon Services, and today I'm going to talk about Medical Device Rules 2017 and the medical device registration in India. Increased health awareness and the initiatives taken by government have grown the medical device market in India. No medical device regulations existed in India prior to 2005. However, there are registration procedures for certain medical devices regulated under the Medical Device Rules 2017. Medical devices in India are regulated as drugs by the Central Drugs Standards Control Organization as per the provisions of Medical Device Rules 2017 issued by the government under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Only the devices notified by the government are regulated and falls under the provisions of regulations as per MDR 17. Medical Device Rules 2017 were released through Gazette of India dated 31st January 2017 and became effective from 1st January 2018. In tune with global practice, the 2017 rules has introduced a classification system for regulation of medical devices, including low-risk devices which fall under Class A, such as surgical dressings, alcohol swabs. Low-moderate devices which fall under Class B, such as digital thermometer, blood pressure monitoring devices. Moderate risk devices such as Class C, such as glucometer, nebulizer, etc. and high risk devices which fall under Class D, such as transcatheter heart valve, coronary stent, etc. Now, the state licensing authority is the competent authority to enforce these rules in regards to the manufacture for the sale and distribution of Class A and B devices, whereas the Central Licensing Authority is the competent authority for enforcement of these rules in regards to manufacture for the sales and distribution of Class C and Class D devices. For the manufacturers that are interested in registering their medical devices in India, they must supply a proof of approval of their device in their home market. Now, the process for product registration is such as that the first step would be to determine if your product falls under the listed of regulated medical devices and its classification. For the manufacturers to make an application for the manufacturing license, they need to register through an identified online portal of the Ministry of Health and Welfare, which is called the Sugam portal. The manufacturers will apply for the test license. After the test license has been granted, based on the risk based classification of the medical devices, the manufacturers will then apply for the manufacturing license or loan license. If you are a medical device manufacturer and you wish to register your product in India, you can contact us. We at Marvin will assist you in obtaining the medical device approval in India. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss the detailed process for registering low-risk devices. So stay tuned. Thank you.